And today, may agenda tayo. I'll be going to Rockwell kasi wait lang. Just gonna apply my liner kasi ito yung totoong color ng lips ko. And parang ang pale. So, let me just apply this. For my lip liner, I'm using itong Absidy kasi nung Samsung shoot namin, yan yung gamit ni Lynn sa akin. Tapos nag-last siya all day. For one of my favorite lip tints, this one from Absidy also in the shade Maple. And yung before na packaging nila, nagli-leak siya kasi serum lip tint siya. Very moisturizing. Pero yung old packaging kasi nila, nagli-leak. So ngayon, in-improve na nila yung formula. And yung component as well para hindi na siya mag-leak. So, my favorite lip tint is back. Anyway, for today, may yoga class lang ako with Mick and Dahlia. And after nun, meron kaming dinner. Kaya nakamaleta ako. So, yung dala ko ngayon para akong magsa-staycation. Kasi meron akong body care, skin care, hair dryer, straightener, my makeup, yung extra clothes ko. Ang dami kong dala. That's our agenda for today. So, let's go.
Way, exhale, fold forward. Freely inhale, head up. Chatwari, step or jump back, chaturanga. Then the elbows, use the rib cage, up dog, downward facing. One. Try to spread the fingers.
First time. First time.
Well, actually, the modification is just stepping.
Hi, friends! Second ligo of the day. I'm at Mix. Taga dito na rin ako. So, si Mick nasa kwarto. Kakatis ko lang maligo. And then now, there's Mick.
Guys, bahay niya na to. She's from my neighborhood.
Yeah. May condo na ako dito. Anyway, mag-makeup na lang ako kasi magde-dinner kami. I forgot to bring my color corrector. I'm trying itong Skin Rescue na Calming Mist ng Vice. For color corrector, I'm using itong Absidy kasi hindi ko nadala yung Popic. Yung Popic, yung isang fave kong color corrector na yun. And I like also yung mga brushes ng Sonny's. It's nice. Hindi lang ako fan ng dual-ended kasi gusto ko nakatayo yung brush ko pero kapag nagta-travel, medyo handy din siya. And for my fave concealer, this one from MAC. Ito rin yung gamit ko nung nag-Europe kami the whole trip. And ang ganda niya. Ang creamy niya. And I like also yung applicator niya, yung wand niya. Malaki. It's nice. And of course, my blender still. Ito, hindi mo na kailangan basahin.
Ano na kaya mag-room tour ng
bahay? Gusto niyo ba ng room tour ni Mick? Mick, gagamitin mo ba yung hourglass? Okay, try.
Yeah.
We're ready. And then, ni-meet na lang namin si Dahlia sa baba. Tapos wala akong dalang bag. So, sabi ni Mick, I have a bag. So,
I have the bag.
I have the bag. So, ito. At tagal na kasi namin nung nag-Japan kami last time. Naghanap kami ng vintage na Balenciaga City. Kasi tinatry ko to kay Mick. Ang dami niyang city. So, I guess this is the bag. Kasi pang gym yung bag ko today. Anyway,
And
this is
if you
the
guys
look.
want a room tour, comment na lang kayo.
Yeah, mamaya, after dinner.
Siya yung mag-room tour dito.
Oo. Ang cute, no? Ng house ni Mick. But anyway, and then ang pupuntahan namin is yung favorite mo ba yun? Or
Yeah,
gusto mo
my
lang?
favorite ramen place.
Yun. Hindi ko pa na-try. So, meron siyang favorite ramen place here na hindi gumagamit ng MSG.
Yeah, MSG. No MSG.
No MSG daw. So, yeah. I love the look.
Siya ba yun?
I don't know. There she is!
Wow!
Hello! I love you!
siya cucumber na. Ano siya?
Yeah, it's so big. My phone is so big. You want me to hand it to you?
Later.
You can try to. Oh my goodness, ang nice.
Yeah.
It's magnetic.
Yeah. Pero I have to attach something pa. Pero I am.
Daya first.
One of my fave cheesecakes. Itadakimasu.
Though, hindi ko pa natatry yung original though. Kasi yung last ko yung...
Oreo.
Is it good?
Yeah. The burnt bit
Ah,
is
really?
perfect. Parang hindi siya matigas or anything.
Mm.
You're not LC, right? We've been together. Big word!
Pero bakit parang mas matamis siya kasi sa Oreo?
Really? It's the same lang siguro yung base.
Ay, wala ako nakuha
Wala
base.
lang Oreo. Yeah.
Sure. The base. It's so good.
I'm personally not a big
Cheesecake fan.
person at all.
Here na parang, ay hindi. Ano ba sinabi ko nun?
Never
Like-
adopted before flag.
Yeah. So I was like that. Ko to.
Guess who's here?
We're picking up shades.
From Sonny's shirt.
Hi Jess, if you're watching.
Okay. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm making you breakfast lang kasi in a while, mag-gym ako finally after super tagal ko nang hindi nag-gym, I swear. Anyway, I'm just making my toast para nang may laman yung tiyan ko before going sa gym. I'm just gonna add a bit of salt. Bon appetit! kasi parang nakita niyo naman na lahat ng pinamili ko. So, I have... Tapos ako biglang nag-haul. Pero anyway, ito na lang yung mga natira dito. Mga seaweed crackers lang kasi I'm planning on making a kimbap again. And ito, for my salmon, alam niyo na yan. And then oranges. And then itong dalawa na to, kahapon galing ako kila Mick. Tapos yung tita ni Mick, umuwi yata from Davao. To tita, thank you. Kasi meron akong pomelo, fresh from Davao. Mahilig kasi ako sa fruits. Speaking of fruits, bumili rin ako neto. Kasi diba dapat mag-gym ako. Tapos grocery. Kaso sabi ko mag-grocery na lang muna ako bago mag-gym. So, I have here, I don't know kung ano to. Pero I like yung fruits kapag frozen siya. Pero kumakain na rin ako kasi gutom na ako. Yeah! Nalubat yung camera ko, kaya chinarge ko muna siya. And habang chinacharge ko siya, pinreaser ko yung grapes ko. Actually, nag-fruits mukbang na. Orange na rin ako kanina. And then, ito yung grapes na binibili ko. Matamis siya. And then, after na tong grapes, try ko naman i-open tong pomelo. Update! Nagpajama na ako. Hindi na ako nag-workout kasi wala, tinamad ako. And medyo lightheaded ako. So sabi ko, magluluto na lang ako ng dinner ko. And isa to sa mga favorite dinner ko, ang kalabasa and salmon. Masarap. Anything fish actually dito sa kalabasa na to. Credits to my boyfriend's recipe. Ito usually yung kalabasa, ginagawa ko siyang parang kimchi. Ginagawa ko siyang side dish, ganun. So madami na yung portion ng luto ko. Para isa-store ko na lang siya sa fridge. And then every time I eat, ihalo ko siya sa rice ko. For my rice, still yung shirataki rice. Okay, I have here some few pieces that I want to unbox. And ito yung na-miss ko sa mga vlogs natin. Yung unboxing. And if you can tell, fan ako ni Stitch. Because kamukha niya si Deuce. Let's do a quick unbox. First is from Aesop. Ito yung hinanap-hanap namin sa buong Europe trip namin, sa lahat ng Aesop hanggang south of France. Well, wala yatang Aesop sa south of France. Deuce! Pero wala. Tapos malalaman-laman namin. Available lang pala siya sa Lazada. So, nag-restock na ako. Parang sobrang daming bottles ko na naubos nito. Ito yung favorite alcohol ko from Aesop. Medyo mahal siya for an alcohol. Pero if super arte kayo katulad ko, this one, sobrang lambot niya sa hands and stuff. Kaya na-convert ko rin si Jamie and si Ray dito sa alcohol na to. Ganda neto. And then, bumili ako ng mga 90 pesos na lashes lang. Tapos, super dami na. And glue-free na siya. Kaya ako napabili neto. Kasi nakita ko siya kay Vicol. Ang ganda tignan sa kanya. So, bumili ako ng maraming designs. Pero feeling ko ito yung magugustuhan ko. And this one, bumili ako ng kumot. Kasi kailangan ko ng kumot sa sasakyan. Kasi diba lately tag-ulan na. Tapos, naging lamigin ako. So, I got a blanket. Ta-da! I'm a bath! I'm a bath, dude! Dahil wala pa akong matcha, iinamin ko na lang tong coconut milk kasi ganun siya kasarap. And ito yung super fave ko i-mix sa mga matcha ko. It's so good. Hindi ako mahilig sa milk. Hindi ko iniinom yung milk na mag-isa lang. Pero itong coconut milk na to, sobrang sarap niya.
Hi friends! Okay, hindi na ako nakapag-update and we are going to Bangkok. Super quick lang to, 3 days, 2 nights lang. Cause, pagbalik ko, may isang araw lang ako sa Manila and then after nun, I'll be going to Hong Kong na ulit for another work trip and that's with Disney. I'm super excited with that one because I'm gonna be with the whole family. But anyway, this is my first time flying with Thai Airways. So far, okay naman siya. I'm not sure lang kung anong kind of plane to, but okay naman. I got itong salmon. Medyo durug-durug lang siya ngayon kasi niwa ko na siya. Bon appetit.
Check. It's currently 7:04 p.m. and grabe yung traffic sa Bangkok and also the room is so big. But anyway, 7:30 p.m. may welcome dinner kami so I only have 30 minutes left to prepare. So mag-open na ako ng luggage and I think I'm gonna change lang. Tapos after ng dinner, doon na lang ako maliligo and mag-unready and mag-chill kasi tomorrow it's gonna be a long day. And by the way, sobrang ganda ng view ko. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Bangkok. I love this view. Anyway. Friends, and just like that, I am ready to head back to Manila for one day. And then after that, lilipad naman tayo ng Hong Kong for the 20th anniversary ng Disneyland. Super happy ako doon and excited kasi I'm gonna be with my family. So, uwi na ulit tayo.
Okay, good morning friends. I'm back in Manila. Pero alis na naman tayo ulit ngayon. Pero one last push na to for the month of June. Pagdating ng July, promise ko sa sarili ko magpapahinga na ako. Anyway, nasa baba na yung luggage. This is going to be a family trip with my mom, dad, and Zane, and Vicole.
Time check, it's 11:38 a.m. and medyo delayed ng konti yung flight namin. But all is well. And look, I brought si Mickey. Binigay ito sa akin ng Disney team nung nag-shoot kami for the teaser yata ng 20th anniversary nila. So I have a keychain ni Minnie Mouse and itong plushie ni Mickey Mouse. And it's so cute. I've never been this excited for a trip. Kasi actually mag-story time na rin ako sa inyo. So, yung sa Asian countries kasi, Hong Kong na lang yung hindi namin napupuntahan ng family. Sabi ko, hindi ko siya itatry with friends and stuff. Gusto ko, ang first time ko sa Hong Kong ay with my family. So, every time na i-ask ng friends ko na, tara, Hong Kong Disneyland tayo or Hong Kong tayo kasi malapit lang. Tinatanggihan ko talaga kasi nga, I want na first time kong makikita yung Hong Kong with my family. Kasi diba iba pa din yung trip kapag first time niyo lahat makita yung isang country. Kaya nung last May, sabi ko, sige, pull ko na yung trigger. I'm gonna surprise my mom na lang for a birthday trip to Hong Kong. So, low-key, even before, talagang dream ko na nadalhin yung family ko sa Hong Kong Disneyland. And then, little did I know, after a month, babalik din ako ng Hong Kong and this time with Disney na. So ayun, totoo nga yung sabi nila na just be kind to the world and may babalik at babalik sa'yo. So Ayun, I'm just super duper grateful. Pero hindi ko ginagawa lahat ng to kasi may in-expect ako na babalik ka. Sinabi lang siya sa akin ni Jamie, sabi niya, bait-bait mo talaga na daughter or na anak. Sabi niya, for sure may babalik naman daw dyan. And I feel like, eto na yun. So, thanks Jamie for reminding me that. Kasi sometimes I forget na, wow, ito na pala yung ginagawa ko for my family. And one thing for sure, I know College I would really, really be happy about that. So, ayan. Anyway, kain na ako.
We are ready for Disney. This is mine. So it matches my outfit. Kasi it's a bit heavy lang.
Hi friends! So, we are flying home na. My seatmate is Victoria. Hi, Dad. Hello. Anyway, yung work talaga namin is in and out lang sa Hong Kong. But it was super fun. Kasi hindi naman nakapag-vlog kasi super focus ako sa work ko. So, ayun, nagtrabaho na lang muna ako. Pag-land namin, magkikita ulit kami ni Vicol tonight kasi later, isa-surprise ko yung boyfriend ko kasi birthday niya tomorrow. And then tomorrow, may appointment lang ako and then may shoot lang ako with a brand. So, whole day again tomorrow. Ayun, anyway, here's Zane. Say hi.
Hi.
So, yun. Bon appetit. Okay, so we are in Hong Kong. And hindi na ako napag-intro sa airport kasi kala ko nasira tong DJI ko kasi nahulog siya. Tapos hindi ko na maayos yung center gimbal niya. So hindi ako nakapag-intro doon. Pero right now, nasa K11 kami or Avenue of Stars. Anyway, hindi ko pala nasabi kung ba't nandito kami sa Hong Kong. So, ang trip na to is really for mommy's birthday. And parang mini treat ko na lang din for the whole family kasi I really wanna go out and explore other places with my whole family. Okay, so it's currently day 2 and we are here at Jade Garden having lunch. Actually, the view here is so nice. Kitang-kita mo yung buong harbor something. Pag New Year dito, kitang-kita mo lahat. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita, hindi pala naka-on yung mic ko.
Pwede.
Masarap?
Pwede pala.
Shit.
Kaya pala pipilahan.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Actually, na-try ko na to, pero yung freshly baked, hindi ko pa na-try. Sarap niya pag bagong luto. Paano ko kaya iuwi ng Pilipinas to? Okay, so my brother's trying to vlog the trip kasi first ni Ellie to, first out of the country trip niya. So dala niya tong GoPro. And naiwan niya. Tapos nandun na siya sa likod. Kumakain na siya ng egg tart niya. Iniwan niya lang yung camera niya. 5 minutes lang naka-record. Ay, nako. Ganda rin pala ng GoPro. Hiramin ko nga to kapag nag-beach ako. Ang ganda, oh.
Ante yan? Saan yung rubber shoes mo? Wala kang rubber shoes? Ay, kailangan bumili ni Baby Eli.
Oo, tinanggal niya na daw. Sabi niya, ay kasi mag-shopping na tayo.
Mga ano lang, 2 hours.
What's that? That's a globe right there.
Okay, so we are currently at Sneaker Street right now. So far, may nabili na kaming mga shoes sa Nike. Pero Nike lang to, but yung Sneaker Street, okay din siya kasi pwede kayong mag-shopping dito kasi dikit-dikit na siya. And literal na puro sneakers siya. And then right now, we're doing our one last shop kasi tomorrow Disneyland na. And then after Disneyland, the next day, morning flight na rin. But anyway, how's Hong Kong so far?
Hindi siya mainit.
Ay, hindi rin mainit. Like, mainit sa hapon, may araw, pero hindi ka pagpapawisan. Ako, never ako pinagpawisan today.
Ako naglakad ako ng 2 kilometers kanina, so medyo may pawis ng konti.
At nagmamadali. Kasi naiwan ko yung wallet ko, tapos sila Zane lang yung bumalik sa hotel.
Okay naman, na maganda.
How about you?
Sarap ng weather.
How about you? How's Hong Kong? How do you find Hong Kong so far?
Nice.
Google Maps. Anyway, nahanap niya rin yung gusto niyang shoes. So, ayun, mag-roam around lang kami dito sa Sneaker Street. Sarap eh. Gusto ko yung with cone. Ay na. Ano yan? Ay?
Okay.
Masarap. Masarap siya. Okay, we are currently at Dim Dim Sum for dinner. And we are having dim sum, of course. Actually, sarap dito. Very authentic. Wala lang toyo. And medyo mahirap yung communication. So, hindi namin alam kung paano. Yes, thank you. So, hindi namin alam kung paano kami hingi ng toyo. But anyway, bon appetit! Dapat ganyan yung post niya.
Ano naman yan? Ang ganda nito.